Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, what I am about to show you today is the last hope for all Bitcoin bulls out there. I will be talking about what is happening right now in the charts. And of course, I will be talking about what are my price targets and did this breakout I was actually talking about yesterday. I was talking about this insane 70% move will start an imminent danger for the Bitcoin price. Did this breakout towards the downside yesterday actually mark the beginning of a significant downtrend? Or is this last hope for all Bitcoin bears, for all Bitcoin bulls actually coming into fruition and we are getting this strong bounce towards the upside, which we actually need in the immediate short term? I will be talking about all of that. I will be going into my trades and update you what is my trading plan right now, what am I going to do with my current trades, and of course, as always, more importantly, what is the next up and coming trade for Bitcoin. Let's go straight here into the content. Let's go straight into the charts and see what is actually happening for Bitcoin right now. And as you remember, just a quick reminder, if you want to be trading Bitcoin as well, you can long and you can short Bitcoin in the pinned comment, $700 for free by using my links. That takes 20 seconds after your initial deposit. You get that bonus for free. Let's talk about that later on or so. But now it's much more important to talk about the price action. So I was talking about this long 3.5 month rising wedge, which statistically breaks more often towards the downside than towards the upside. Honestly speaking, I was also mentioning how for Bitcoin this usually acts differently. However, right now we are breaking down here. So let's see, what is this situation? This is my update from yesterday. This video went completely crazy already. I mean, it's online for, let me show you. It's online for a few hours already. It already has 120,000 views. So of course the people understood the importance of that video. I was already prior to the breakout breakdown talking about that breakdown, because in the video 12 hours ago, I was talking about us kissing here the support for the more than the 10th time, and the more often we are kissing it, the more likely it is to be broken. Right now we broke it, and the question is, are we continuing that breakdown? Well, first of all, no volume. Second of all, well, we got the daily close below, but hear me out, guys. We got a daily close below, but still there is significant support supporting the significant support coming in supporting the Bitcoin price. So first of all, daily candle close below, yes. Volume? No, there was no volume. So the other thing is, Bitcoin is here for the first time since a long time creating an M pattern. If this M pattern, and for this we only need the 4-hourly close below, closes below this neckline, so below the specific level of 53,200 US dollars, well, then I can tell you with the highest likelihood, after us already breaking this rising wedge here, with the highest likelihood, after a 4-hourly candle close below, with just some volume coming in compared to these volume candles, then I can tell you the likelihood is very high of us actually breaking down to the 45,000 US dollar level, which is the measured move price target. Pulling out the VPVR, you can see that unfortunately this would bring us below the 47 level. We have at the 47,000 US dollar level significant volume support coming in from this traffic area. If we reach the price target, well, we might as well drop further down to 40,000. Right now, this is important, guys. We have to hold this line. This line is the last hope for all Bitcoin bulls in the immediate short term, since on the logarithmic chart here, we already broke the pattern. And I think personally that plotting this rising wedge, since it is a daily and weekly pattern, makes sense on the logarithmic chart. However, if you plot it on the, let me quickly go over. I want to show you the whole picture, right? That is what it's about. If you are plotting this on the, so once again, guys, this is the log chart, it broke down. This is the linear chart, and on the linear chart, actually, you could plot it from here, and we didn't even break down yet, as you can see, right? It's a rising channel. This one, you have to readjust this one as well on the linear one. So on the linear channel, it didn't break down yet. We have right now the last hope for all Bitcoin bulls converging with the linear support and with the horizontal support of the M pattern. This is the last hope for all Bitcoin bears, at least for the immediate bulls, at least for the immediate short term. I am not talking about the end of the bull market, guys. Don't get me wrong, but I'm talking potentially about maybe a multi-day or week correction. Not saying that it's gonna happen. This is the line in the sand probably. This is what I want to talk about. Also, guys, remember, I was talking previously about this parabolic trend, and this parabolic trend, if you plot it on the non-log chart, it is right now also breaking, but this is certainly a weekly one. If I am going here over to the weekly one, then you can see, we have to zoom in a little bit. If it's not logarithmic, it's always crazy. You can see here, well, the weekly one is right now outside. So the week is still going on for a few more days. Right now it is, what's the day today? Tuesday today. So of course, Bitcoin has some more days to close above again. But if we are breaking a parabolic trend towards the downside, well, we can expect some consolidation, some downwards movement for Bitcoin, sideways downwards. So let's see what's happening here. So far, small alarm signs already starting, but no volume in. This is why I wouldn't go crazy, but there is a shorting opportunity if we break the neckline or the upward sloping support of the specific rising wedge on the linear chart. This is what we have to keep in mind. And now the question is, Chris, what are you doing with your long trades? Well, first of all, we did not confirm the breakdown yet. I am not taking profits until we are not confirming a breakdown. This breakdown is not confirmed because, number one, we didn't retest the previous resistance support, which is then turning into resistance. But more importantly, there is still no volume coming in. If there is still no volume coming in, like here, for example, or like there, like if we are not beating these volume candles, there's just no reason to ring all the alarm bells yet. We need volume coming in, and there is a significant downtrend in volume, which means the market is not yet agreeing to that breakdown. We need actually a confirmation of the market participants of the volume to confirm this breakdown. As long as this is not happening, we always have a few assumptions that either we are still in another bigger pattern or this is just a fake out. This is why please keep in mind, don't go all too crazy. If you are in short-term positions, take a look at this horizontal M pattern support. These are the things I am personally looking out for. Right now is interesting times. Like for the first time, Bitcoin actually closed the daily candle below the upward sloping support of the rising wedge, but no reason to freak out yet. The first alarm signs are on, but not all of them yet. So make sure you take this into consideration for your own analysis. Of course, follow me over on Twitter. This is important. And on Instagram, it's at MMCrypto with the blue verification check mark. I have a lot of things I am sharing over there, of course. So make sure you take this into consideration as well. And also go down below in the pinned comment. You get $700 for free. And if you click the links down below, in the video, they are pinned. You get after your initial deposit the $700 and you can trade with this free bonus completely for free as well. Let me know if I should do in the future also sometimes some technical analysis on my TV here. Could be funny for sure. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. Our views recently are going through the roof, and I can't do anything but being extremely grateful for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see each other in the next one of MMCrypto already tomorrow. And as always, guys, bye-bye.